Hello, I'm Peter Towers. Welcome to Members Alert for July. We have a number of interesting articles in this edition that I hope will help you in your accountancy firm. Is $5,000 a reasonable amount for a small, medium-sized enterprise to pay for accountancy fees? I gather that there's been some debate on this particular issue within accountancy circles and obviously within some client circles. Amanda Gascoigne, who's our affiliate in New South Wales, has written an article in her weekly newsletter, which, with her permission, we're sending to you this month to have a look at. My comment on this issue is that if an accountant is providing a broad range of commercial services, such as those advocated within ESS BizTools, then $5,000 would be a fairly low fee for a client to be paying for value-added Chief Financial Officer type services. But for those firms who are only providing taxation services, then obviously there's an issue in the marketplace. If you're not already doing so, please communicate with your clients about the types of services that your firm is able to provide to them. Something along the same lines was apparent in the article that was in the Financial Review on the 18th of June, Automation Cuts into Profits at Firms. This article analysed the financial performance of the accounting industry and in particular looked at 180 smaller firms who have suffered a significant reduction in their profitability margin to turnover over the last 5 years. The article, which quotes information produced by benchmarking.com.au, highlights some of the additional services that accountants can provide, the types of services that we're supplying to you as part of ESS BizTools and ESS BizGrants to add value to the services that you're providing to your clients. The Financial Review article predicts that the next 5 years are going to be very tough for accountants who have not upscaled their market by offering a broader range of commercial services to their clients. We've produced 8 briefs on crowdsourced funding equity raising, tracing the story from the very beginning where the government decided to introduce the legislation through to the finalisation of a crowdsourced funding offer document. And we're sending these to you. If you can use them on your websites or in your promotions, please do so. We're also enclosing the transcripts, so perhaps you can produce your own videos to place on your website. The members webinar, Establishing a Quarterly Reporting Service and Meetings, is now being held on Tuesday the 30th of July at 12 noon. This is a new product which we're producing in response to an article that appeared in Accountants Daily a couple of months ago. Most of the services that we're going to suggest that you provide have been traditionally part of ESS BizTools, but we're adding a couple of extras. So please join us for that webinar on 30 July to acquaint yourself with the services. In August we have 2 webinars for members. The first one is on Personal Property Securities Register, an update, and the second one is an update on government grants. I had a conversation with Andrew Geddes, a well-known accountancy industry advisor and the chair of Green Cross Limited for 11 years, about scaling up and the assistance that crowdsourced funding equity raising could play in supplying the all-important cash to fund the scaling up of a business. And that's available to you to have a look at this month, together with some material on the Scaling Up Masterclass series of workshops that Andrew Geddes and Anna Samios and Glenn Richards are presenting in August, September and October this year. As always, we have the government grant update for application schedule attached to this members alert. Thank you very much for your support of ESS Biz Tools and ESS Biz Grants. If you have any questions, comments or criticisms, please do not hesitate to contact us. Have a great day. Goodbye.